Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Made in China. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Made in China and you click here. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.